Alright. Hi guys. Hi. How's life? Have you eaten? Yes. I'm sure that all of you have eaten before. So today I'm going to inform you about Korean royal cuisine. Have you ever ate Korean food?
Yeah.
What kind of food?
Kimchi.
And then what else? Bulgogi, yeah. As you know, South Korea or maybe Korea is known for its drama, Korean drama, and their food like kimchi and then bibimbap. You know bibimbap, right?
Yeah.
Korean mixed rice and then tteokbokki. Have you ever tried tteokbokki before?
Yeah.
But have you ever heard about Joseon Wangjo Juniori? Have you ever heard that name before?
No.
Yeah. Alright. Joseon Wangjo Juniori is the Korean name of Korean royal cuisine. Korean royal cuisine. Alright. Are you curious about this cuisine?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to tell you right now. Alright, Korean royal cuisine, based on the information that I got when I visited South Korea last autumn, this Korean cuisine, royal cuisine, only served for the king on Joseon dynasty period. It's like not everybody can eat this cuisine because it is very expensive, and then it's very royal. And then in royal protocols on king's procession in 1795, it's also written that Korean royal cuisine were cooked by the maid, by the court maids who has been trained since they are young, so they can make such a good cuisine with a natural taste that suit with the king's tongue and his family. And then this is the first master of royal culinary art, or maybe she's the first that made the Korean royal cuisine. And then this is the second master, the third master, and this is the latest court maids that made the Korean royal cuisine. And then you know what? Korean royal cuisine is has more than 10 dishes in one table. Alright, this is the table setting. It's called surasang. Surasang is the royal table to place the meals for the king and the royal family. Surasang is divided into three. The first one is called Daewonban. Daewonban is the main table, the biggest table of those tables. It contains of like white rice and then soup, stew, and then side dishes like maybe kimchi or fish, and then it also contains of fermented dishes like maybe as I told you before, like kimchi, and then maybe the fish that has been fermented for many years. Yeah, Korea likes to eat fermented food, so that's why quite it's quite surprising. And then the second one is called Yotban. Yotban is smaller than the first one. It contains of like red rice. And in the first table it contains white rice, and then the second table it contains red rice, and then red rice, gontang or thick meat broth, and then teapot, and then empty bowl or tray and plate, and then the last one is called Cek sambat. Cek sambat contains of eggs, various vegetables, and then several types of sauces. So maybe at Joseon dynasty period, not everybody can eat this royal cuisine, but right now everybody can eat it. But it's quite expensive because it contains of very good. It has a good quality of dishes, like maybe meat or hanu. Have you ever heard that name? Hanu. Hanu is a very good quality cow meat. The meat is very expensive, like more than $1,000 for each box. So that's for me. I hope that it can expand your knowledge about Korean food.